Okay, here we are, Chapter 4, Stats and Mechanics, mixed exercise at the back, and question 2. The following table shows the average or the mean CO2 concentration in the atmosphere and the increase in average temperature compared to the 30-year period. Okay, draw a scatter diagram to represent the data. So we are going to have a scatter diagram of C against T, okay, and just having a look at that and the values. 400, that's the biggest one there, okay, and the smallest one 371, 360, 63, 361, no, 357, there we go. There's the smallest on that one, okay, and on the same way for the temperature, the biggest one on here I think is this 8. It is 0.86 and is the smallest one 6554124. This is also the smallest. Okay, so that we know what to do with our scales. Okay, so we need to go a little bit above 400, somewhere between 300 and 400 sort of thing, and then we can just almost do a 0 to 1 scale for the temperature. Okay, so let's come down here and make a bit of space. What did we want then? Let's go for 0 here, and as we come across here, I'm going to have 0.1, 0.2 every 2 squares, 0.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we are going to put in the marks for thou. What is that one? That's temperature in degrees. Temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay, and this one is going to be parts per million, wasn't it? Of the carbon dioxide parts per million. Okay, so and we are working between a scale of about 300 because we were on 357 there up to 400. So actually I'm going to start at about 340, I think. So let's go there and go with 340. 1, 2, 3, 4, 350. 60, 2, 3, 4, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, just about get it in. Right, 350, 360, 370, 80, 390, 400, and 410. Okay, now to start plotting the points with just little crosses. You get all the way in there. Right, 401 and 0.86. Okay, 401 would be, is it on that line? Somewhere about there. 397.65. 397. Okay. Okay, so 0.59 and 392. 0.59. Okay, and we'll continue this on. Okay, so I decided to stop the video and just plot out all the points. There we go. Hopefully you'll get something like that. Should have a title on this scattered graph to show CO2 concentration and temperature increase. Okay, part B, describe the correlation. Okay, so if you were to put a very rough line of best fit onto that, it would be a positive line like that, and so it is nice and strong, positive correlation. Okay, it's strong because the slope of that line is greater than 1. It's not like really sagged down there. Okay, so that was part B. Part C, interpret your answer to part B. Okay, so simply put, as the strong positive correlation shows that as the CO2 concentration increases, so does the average temperature. That's it. Okay.